Alright, everybody. It's Adventure Brad, Shackleton the Explorer. Yes. Yeah, good little boy. Make sure you're in the shot here. And we're going to go on an adventure today. I'm going to go hike up to a place called the Lizard Overlook and maybe possibly do a little fly-in. And we're going to sniff some stuff and run around like a little madman. And ow, that hurts, buddy. And yeah, let's get going. So we're back down hiking. He's marking everything he could see, and our goal is today to end up on top of that rock and just stay up there and not come down this side and go down the other side. Yeah, and do a little flying, possibly some sightseeing. He'll continue to pee on things, and
hopefully I don't wheeze to death trying to climb up the mountaintop.
Yeah, we're trying not. Yeah, hopefully you don't leave a lung laying up there somewhere. But yeah, we're just gonna try to have some fun, do a little, yeah, just hike and explore and check stuff out. And since we gotta keep it YouTube, you can't see what he's doing over there. We'll just talk about what he's doing over there.
Yeah,
so,
for now, Mr. G FPV channel slowly on his way up.
He's slowly on its way up. He's plugging a channel that don't even exist and slowly on its way up.
Now the channel exists, there's just no content yet.
Alright, so yeah, so anyways, he'll continue to probably plug his shit all video, but anyways, we're gonna hike up there. Let's see how long. I'm gonna try to get him to plug it and we're on a really steep spot. And when he's like hacking along up, we'll be like, yeah. What's your channel again, buddy? Alright, so anyways, we're out.
Mr. G FPV.
Alright, I guess we need to pick up the pace. He can still remember what he's supposed to be doing. So yeah, we're at the saddle here. Wonderful view of the lake and the island. Took his harness off because it kind of sucked to hike with that harness on the whole time. We'll look at this. We'll stop and look at him bent over, giving up a lung.
Thank you.
We'll stop and we'll take a little minute here. Both of us need to catch up. I'm good and sick. I'm still recovering. But yeah, pretty out here. Just this view. Pretty stuck on it. Let's zoom. Just watch it break up into digital oblivion. Yeah. So anyways, we're going to keep pushing on. And it's nice little rocked out. Somebody certainly spent their time up here. And we're going to continue on and hike these ziggy-zaggies up to the top. So, yeah. He's talking about flying somewhere. So anyways, we're going to figure about that. All right, well, here goes Shackle Vision. Climbing to the top. You ready, little buddy? Good boy. Oh yeah, that's a cliff face. Come here, Shackle.
Pepperoni, Shackle.
Good boy. Come on.
Oh, this for a fucking bench.
Oh yeah.
That's a cliff there, buddy. You need to be careful. Look, there's a lizard. Oh! Yeah, you're okay. You got that. Way down over Shackle's head's a lizard. But look at this view.
Gorgeous view.
Like, man,
Yeah,
you can't beat this.
not at all. Can't go wrong with this at all.
Woohoo! So yeah, we made it to the top. Look at this. What a view. All the way around. Surviving, little puppy surviving. We're keeping her on a leash just because there's a cliff right there. Like,
Right there? Oh, I see
Like-
what you mean by the geo lizard.
that cliff. And yeah, you guys see it all the way down there?
Oh, yeah.
The little glyphy lizard. So, some dude named Tim in 1982 in the Leaping Lizards Trail group passed this trail in that we just came up here all the way up to where we're at and hiked this wonderful bench up. I'm assuming they did it in pieces. I hope they did it in pieces. If not, they're gluttons for punishment. But yeah, look at this whole place. Just such a view all the way around. So, yeah. We made it. Now it's time to do some flying. Gibby took the first digger, hopefully the only digger for the day. Is it all intact?
Yeah.
Cool.
Like I said, I just kind of, it flew and then plopped down. That's it.
Cool, right on. Wasn't too far away from our little tabletop bench here. Still a beautiful view. Shackleton's keep an eye on everything.
Thanks, brother, man.
But yeah, look at this. So I think it's my turn to send it.
Yeah, everything looks great. Not even a prop is dinged.
Cool.
We're looking good.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was that.
Well, when I left you, I was going flying. I don't know if you guys are going to see that flying video or not. Maybe just with a DVR. Because we were up there on a cliff behind us. Is where that bench was, way up there. Now we're down here. Because somewhere over there, I went and lost the drone. I flew too low, out of range. It failed safe. GPS rescue didn't rescue me, and we lost her all. So at this point, we're hiking, hoping we hear the buzzer, something like that, and see if we can't get lucky and find her. If you guys see some HD video, we found her. If not, then we didn't. So yeah. Alrighty.
Yeah,
I can hear it.
we got a buzzy.
It's right down here. That means there's a chance of recovering it. We'll see what's left of it.
Sounds like directly in line out in front of you.
Yeah, it seems like I should be seeing it right out here. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this camera down.
Down there, the peanut.
The Shackle's coming down to help. So yeah, the cliff we were at was way up there. That's Gibby for scale. And look, we found it. Woohoo! Well, let's see, there's no more camera. That's all smashed in. She took a fall. Let me unplug it and go from there. everyone. We made it.
Here's your grand
Little wanderer here. We made it back. You can see the parking lot. I don't think Gibby coughed anything up. It looked like a lung.
No blood, no lungs.
So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Glad you guys enjoyed. And yeah, see you next time.